Now, I thought I had seen it all in football, but you live and you learn. And never have I seen a player so blatantly disregard and disrespect the authority of his coaching staff, like Chelsea goalkeeper Kepa Arrizabalaga did over the weekend. The man plain and straight tell him, say, him not coming off of the field. The coach have to come off, the assistant coach have to come off, the substitute, who is reputed to be a better penalty stopper, was warmed up and ready. The man said him not coming out for the field. And eventually, the coaching staff bowed and he stayed on the field. Of course, Chelsea coach Maurizio Sarri was left fuming. In fact, he nearly burst a blood vessel as Chelsea went on to lose the penalty shootout in the cup final, with the badman goalkeeper saving just one of the 5 penalties. And the question now is, how does a coach deal with a situation like this? Such blatant disregard for his authority. How does this coach tell other players in the team anything if a player is allowed to get away with this kind of public undermining of his authority? And no matter the apologies and the excuses, even if this goalkeeper went on to save all 5 penalties in the shootout and won the trophy, the principle would be the same. You cannot deal with a coach like that. This player figured at least a 2-match ban. Yeah, man, at least 2 games. But when all is said and done, Liverpool are my team. I'm in the business, in a Chelsea business.